What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to WrenchHeadsTuning. So today I've got a little bit of a surprise for you. First of all, I am in the garage, so if there's an echo in here, I apologize. It's kind of cold. It is now fall. It's been raining for the past 2 to 3 days and the wind is blowing. Also, I want to keep as much water and blow around out of the garage because I was sent this product from Shine Armor. And what this is the graphene ceramic coating. Not sure how well you guys can see that. It's a graphene ceramic coating by Shine Armor. And along with the package came 2 microfiber towels. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing the bike some love. And I know you've been seeing a lot more of the bike versus the RS or anything else on the channel. But, you know, why not? So, with the differences between the graphene and a ceramic coating. Ceramic coating, we know, is all the rage. It's great. It protects the car from water spotting, and it gives the vehicle a great shine. One of the downsides to a ceramic coating is that it doesn't last very long. So it doesn't do well when you have water or dirt standing on it for a significant amount of time. So basically, once you get it on, you have probably about a week to get it off. One of the very more popular things to do with a ceramic coating is once you have treated your vehicle, you kind of continue to add layers through a ceramic hybrid kind of wash or a waterless kind of wash, where as you spray the vehicle, you wipe it in and then it kind of removes those dirts and adds a fresh layer of ceramic coating on top of what has previously existed. They even have ceramic coating dry waxes that you guys have seen me use on the channel before from Armor, where as you obviously spray on, dry the car off, it applies another layer of ceramic coated wax. With the graphene ceramic coat, however, this is been said to protect much better from not just water, also from things like bug guts, which obviously if you're riding a motorcycle or you're riding or driving your car for any significant amount of time, can be a problem that sets into your paint, kind of destroys the texture, and also starts to become very acidic and eat through your ceramic coating. So this provides a little bit more protection, as well as a little bit deeper of a shine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna start applying this to the painted areas of the bike, mainly the tank, front fender, whatever is exposed of the rear fender, my side battery cover, and the opposite glove compartment. So I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna start going at this, and then I'll bring you back. All right, so I've finished applying the Shine Armor to all the painted surfaces. They are pretty much like non-chrome things. So the directions say to allow it to sit for about 1 to 2 minutes and then come back and then buff it. Once that's done, then we need to allow 4 hours for it to cure, and then you can expose it to the elements. So what we'll do is once I've buffed it down, I have an alarm going, so once that alarm goes off, I'll come back, I'll buff everything that I shined, and then we'll roll the Yamaha outside and we'll do a water dump test. So I'll see you later.
A few moments later.
All right, so I finished buffing the bike. And the one thing that I can say is that the post-buffing shine is definitely like really good. Now, mind you, this bike is 23 years old. So you're going to have, you know, some paint defects and whatnot, things that don't look exactly great. But as of right now, it's got kind of a deeper black kind of shine to it, more so than when I use just a regular like ceramic wash on the car, on the bike. So let me show you the front fender real quick. So right now as you can see some of the hazing from just age, but normally it looks cleaner, but this looks like deeper, like the black looks a little bit deeper than it normally does. Normally it's just kind of like shiny or kind of shadowy, like there's like a legit deepness. Let me see if I can, yeah, it's not gonna work. But there's like almost a deepness to it. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. But I mean, this might turn out to be really good. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, and through the miracle of videographing magic, I'll see you in 4 hours.
Much later.
All right, so we're back. It has been 4 hours plus because I was watching football. And first thing I did was I came out and I felt the bike. And you can definitely feel it's a lot more of like a smoother feel. It doesn't feel like grippy at all. Even on the rear fenders, there's like a crazy smoothness to it, where before you could feel the material grabbing a little bit. So it's definitely cured. So what we're gonna do, I got my cup of water right here, and we're gonna give a nice little pour right here, see if we can see what the effects are. Yeah, look at that. Wow, like immediately. That's really, really good. Let's get another one right over here on the tank. Runs right, look at that sheet. Sheet's right off. And then let's get on the back. Look at that, sheets and comes right off, no problems. And like I said, this paint is horrible, but that's fantastic. The other areas right here, you see it just sheet right off. I even did this part. Look, sheets right off. Doesn't even stick. Last part is going to be the glove box area. So you see how the water just sheets right off. It doesn't grab or anything. So there you have it. Shine Armor doing big things with the graphene ceramic coating. So I've got plans to definitely add this onto the RS, but she needs a bath first before I apply it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to get your own bottle of Shine Armor's graphene ceramic coating, click the link down in the description. And as always, wrench daily.